What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Lucia here. So in today's video I am doing this look here. So y'all know how it is when you're like, okay, I'm gonna just do something real natural really quick, just throw on, and you come out with a full B face. That was pretty much my look today, okay? So I tried a new foundation as well. I tried the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am in the shade Mocha, and so far I like it. I am starting to get a little shiny around here. I did do a mattifying primer, but I feel like the foundation is a luminous type of foundation and I am more on the oily side, so maybe I should have did a little bit of baking before applying the foundation. That's usually where you just apply your moisturizer, your primer, and then you apply like some setting powder to kind of soak up some of the excess oil and then apply your foundation. It's probably what I should have did with this one, but other than that, like around here I really like the way the foundation looks on the skin. It is a really nice glow to the skin, so I'm not mad at it at all. And yeah, y'all, and please excuse my hair because I know it's looking a hot mess, but follow me on all my social media, so Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, all at Lucia. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, share it if you loved it. So anyways, yeah, if y'all want to stay tuned and see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Bye. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is Saddle from MAC, and this is one of my favorite colors too. I feel like this is just a really good transitional shade, or even an all over shadow crease shade. Alright, so with your transitional shade, you don't have to get like too fancy with it. Like really just kind of diffuse this out into your crease, and that's it. Just make sure it looks really nice and blended. My brows are way darker than I normally do. My face breaking out too, like right here and right here. I'm like, oh my goodness. But yeah, my brows are darker. I use the shade Ebony. I usually do dark brown, but I ran out of my dark brown, so I use Ebony. So the next shade I'm going to take is, I'm going to take this color Roxanne and also apply that into my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color Jax, this one, this red shade. I'm going to take that and also apply that into the crease. Okay, so I'm going to wet my brush. I'm just going to use some of my Too Faced Hangover Primer Spray. Just spray this brush because I don't want this to go all over my eye. I probably should cut my crease, but I don't feel like doing all that. But I'm just going to take whatever's on the top and pop this onto my lid. This is so effing pretty. And then I'm just going to take a Morphe brush. This is the Morphe M433 brush. I'm just going to blend out that crease. Get more. And do the same thing to the other eye. So again, I'm going to spray. So that's another trick I love doing with like my shadows. I'm pretty sure some of you guys know this by now, but if you really want your shadows to look intense, you can wet your brush and then dip into the shadow and then apply it, and then it'll make your shadows look so much better. It'll really like pop them. So I'm gonna do my Boscia Porefecting White Charcoal Mattifying Primer treatment primer, and this one's really nice for really oily skin. So it's just a white clear type of primer, and you just press it into your skin because that's where I'm really shiny, so I really like to just kind of pat that into the skin, y'all. So if you guys seen my Sephora gratis video a couple months ago, y'all know how they be playing me with my different foundation shades. So I'm gonna do the Born This Way foundation. This is the shade Mocha, so we will see how well it looks. pretty light actually, but we will see how this look on my skin, because I swear they just be giving me whatever they think. Make me mad. Girl, be making me mad because I be putting my shades on and I'm like, how do I freaking end up with vanilla? What the hell? Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush. This one is my finishing powder brush from Sephora. I got this a while ago. Let's see. It's kind of light. Cause it's not like horrible, but it's definitely on the lighter side. It's not horrible, I guess. But y'all know how they be playing me. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade 40 Medium. I only used this probably about a couple times, and I don't remember if I liked it or not, so we're going to try it out again. Oh, girl, these must have been like, these pretty light. Look at it. Girl, I'm going to have to put something else in with this. This is really light. Hold on. Let's put, I'm gonna use the Born This Way concealer. This one is the shade Mocha as well. So kind of tone this down because that would have been a little too light for you, girl. Yeah, that's better. Cause I'm like, it's a little bit too light for me. Actually, I'm really not mad at the foundation, at the Too Faced foundation, because I thought it was going to be like super luminous, but it's really not. It don't look like really bad on my skin, so it's pretty, huh? Okay, so I'm going to start using my Nye Banana Luxury Powder. Alright, and then of course I'm going to bronze up with my e.l.f. bronzer in the St. Lucia, using my bronzer shade. Alright, so while my lashes are drying and my face is baking, I'm going to do my lower lash line. And I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics times it's my Ray brush in the number 7, and I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm not going to do anything too heavy though, because I still want this to be pretty light underneath. Ooh, girl, it's definitely like a glow right here for real. So I'm taking the color Buns and mixing it with Chip. So it's this lighter color here and also that color. So the darker color is obviously going to go towards the back, and then the lighter color towards the front of the eye. I'm going to use my Morphe M510, and I'm just going to use the top because this stuff a little goes a long way. I'm going to use my MAC blush in Peaches and Cream. So I'm just going to dust this on my cheeks. Okay, for lips, I'm going to do a brown lip liner. Like I always do, because y'all, brown lip liners are bomb, okay? They like are everything. So this one is from Sephora. This one is an old lip liner. This one is Chic Cocoa. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Lolita too. It's like a with regular Lolita. And I'm going to take some Sephora lip gloss. This is called the Perfect Nude, number 4. This lip, everything.